Good morning, students of grade 6. Today we will continue with article the. For that, you have to take out this evergreen book, okay, and take out page number 39. If you see page number 39B, it has mentioned article the. Use of the. How will you use it? That we will see. The is used when it is used with superlatives. Superlative degree के साथ we have seen this, that whenever superlative degree is there we use the before superlative degree. For example, he is the bravest. est आ गया ना, मतलब सुपरलेटिव डिग्री हो गई. उससे पहले हम क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? द. बिफोर इट वी हैव यूज्ड द, सो वी यूज द विथ सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. Okay, the Himalayas are the highest mountain. Again superlative degree, we use the. Okay, when we speak of particular person or thing, when we speak about a particular person or thing, we use what? The. The pen you gave me is the most. Means many pens you have not given me, only one pen you have given me, no? तो उस specific particular pen के लिए क्या लगाया? द. द पेन यू गेव मी इज लॉस्ट. ओके, गुम गया. द टीचर ऑफ दिस क्लास इज टीचर. ओके, तो इस क्लास की टीचर स्पेसिफिक टीचर इज देयर, सो वी हैव यूज द. इज वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग. व्हेन अ सिंगुलर नाउन स्टैंड फॉर द होल क्लास, पूरे क्लास के लिए, सबके लिए जब सिंगुलर नाउन का यूज होता है तब भी क्या यूज होता है? द का यूज होता है. द लायन इज द किंग ऑफ एनिमल्स. एनिमल्स, सब एनिमल्स का राजा कौन होता है? लायन. जब सिंगुलर नाउन यूज होता है, सिंगुलर नाउन इज यूज, नो? सो द लायन. ओके, द रोज इज द किंग ऑफ फ्लावर. किंग ऑफ फ्लावर है ना, सबके लिए यूज हो रहा है, सारे फ्लावर्स के लिए यूज हो रहा है, तो रोज. ओके, सिंगुलर नाउन यूज हो रहा है लायन और रोज का. Okay, that's why we have written the. If you see, turn on the page number 40. If you come here, you will see many points. Up to 10 we will read it properly. Okay. Before the geographical terms like names of rivers, seas, mountains, they are specific. No, for that also we use the. Like the Ganga, the Bees, the Godavari, the Indian Ocean. And likewise, when we are using the names of geographical terms of names of river, seas, mountain, that time we use the. Okay. Question next point 5. If you can see, before the names of sacred books and newspaper, names of books and newspaper like Vedas, Puran, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bible, these are all books. And when there is the name of newspaper like Times of India, Indian Express, Hind Samachar, these are all newspapers name. Okay, when there is specific book name or newspaper name, that time also we use the. Okay, next 6 point. Before common noun which are name of things unique of their kind. For example, one is there. Okay, only unique is there. Earth, sun, moon, sky, sea, ocean. तो for unique things we use the. Common noun भी होने चाहिए और unique होने चाहिए. Okay, for that we use the. Okay. Point 7. Before the name of races or nations, Hindus, Muslim, Christian, these are all nationalities. No, for that also we use the. Before an adjective when noun is understood. See, adjective के पहले जब noun का पता हो, when noun is understood, that time the rich are not always happy. See, rich whom? Rich people, no? We know the noun, we understand the noun. So for that also we have used the words. Okay. Before adjectives in superlative degree. Superlative degree we have seen at first also. Before two comparative degrees of adjective. Okay. Before two comparative degrees of adjective. You have earlier, the better, the more, the merrier. In this also we use the. Okay. This is all about the, where we use the. Now we have to see omission of the, where we don't use the. Okay, omission means where we not use the. Article the is omitted before proper noun होगा, that time we don't use the Mount Everest is only one, we don't use the before it. Okay, Mount Everest proper noun है, Monday proper noun है, so for that we are not using the here, we are not using. Okay, before material and abstract noun and material noun. If you can see, gold is precious material. Okay, precious कैसा मटेरियल है, प्रीशियस मेटल है. मेटल इज व्हाट, मटेरियल नाउन है, तो इट कम्स अंडर मटेरियल नाउन, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर नॉट यूजिंग द. वर्च्यू क्या है, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन है, इज इट्स ओन रिवॉर्ड. ठीक है, वर्च्यू इज ओन रिवॉर्ड, दैट for this we are not using the. So for before material or abstract noun we are not using the. Before a common noun used in a general sense means man is a social animal, so man is a social animal common noun है. ठीक है, जनरल सेंस में हम लोग बात करें, फॉर दैट वी आर नॉट यूजिंग द. फ्रूट इज ऑल्सो अ जनरल सेंस काइंड ऑफ वर्ड, कॉमन नाउन है, सो फॉर दैट वी आर नॉट यूजिंग द. ओके, हियर now you can see before titles used in opposition to a proper name or as the complement of sentence as. टाइटल जैसे अकबर है, द एम्परर ऑफ इंडिया. ठीक है, बिफोर टाइटल्स भी प्रॉपर नाउन हो गए ना, तो दैट्स वाई वी आर नॉट यूजिंग. इन अ सर्टन फ्रेज कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब फॉलोड बाय इट्स ऑब्जेक्ट. इफ यू कैन से to set foot, to take breath, these are all prepositional phrase. Before prepositional phrase also we don't use the. Okay, these are all prepositional phrase. Here you can see exercise 4 is there and exercise 5 is there. This you have to do on your own. Okay, this whole page number 14 is your homework. You have to do it as your homework. Page number 41, I'll give it properly. Do it in this book only, don't do it other in notebook or anywhere else. You have to do this here only. Okay, this is all about today's work. Do it, understand it well and do it properly. Okay, take care.